Okay, so let's talk about the columns you need to fill in to properly post the transaction. First of all, we have the posting date, and this is the date that these entries will show up in ledgers. Document type, you can choose blank if it's, for example, this kind of transaction when you use GL account. You can put payment if it's a payment. Here we will have payment of the customer and payment to the vendor, and you can choose refund if it's vendor or customer refund. This document type is very useful because the system will keep the amount, the properly given amount. We will see that in a minute. Okay, so we have document type, document number. Here we have different document number in each line. This is the one approach. The second approach is using one document number for the whole posting. I strongly recommend this approach. In this way, it's much easier to, for example, reverse one transaction when you have each transaction has its own number. It's much easier to reverse the transactions here. Account type and account number. This you already know. You can choose the type and the account. And the description. The description is taken by the account, but it's the best way is to edit it with, for example, with the invoice number. Balancing account type and balancing number. This is filled in automatically by the system. And we have also dimensions columns here, and some of them dimensions are already filled in by the default dimensions of the customer. Of course, we have also amounts, and as you already know, we put the amounts for account, and bank account is on the other side. So when we want to put some costs, we need to put positive amount. So let's put 100. When you want to pay the customer, when customer pays us, we will have minus, and we want to pay to our vendor, and let's have 2000.